It's all the things you do, and all the things I do. Close your eyes, hear the birds singing. Take your time, I'll be here. How was I to know? How was I to know? It was always true. If only I knew. Don't let me follow. If you want out, a new beginning is waiting for us. How are you to know? How are you to know? It's all the things you do, and all the things I don't.
Messy stressing in the morning. I gotta keep up with life. Got no regrets. I count my blessings, but I'm still getting no sleep at night. Getting out of the house, I heard an eagle in the top of a tree. I had to listen. I got a feeling it was saying something to me. I'm calling my father, telling him all the things, the bangs and the crashes on the way to my dreams. Although I'm a mother, I could need some advice, a little pat on the shoulder for that long bumpy ride. Always going forward, and no one is stopping me. I keep on running from my failures, my doubts and miseries. Everything is as it should, but when will there be light? I feel like I'm dreaming of symphonies, but I'll keep writing lullabies. I'm calling my father, telling him all the things, the bangs and the crashes on the way to my dreams. Although I'm a mother, I could need some advice, a little pat on the shoulder for that long bumpy ride. Getting out of the house, I had an eagle in the top of a tree.
I got a feeling it was saying something to me.
I'm calling my father, telling him all the things didn't bangs and the crashes on the way to my dreams. Although I'm a mother, I could need some advice, a little pat on the shoulder for the long bumpy ride. I'm calling my father, telling him all the things didn't bangs and the crashes on the way to my dreams. Although I'm a mother, I could need some advice, a little pat on the shoulder for the long bumpy ride.
Although I'm a mother, I could need some advice, a little pat on the shoulder for the long bumpy